Yeah. Curry chicken and boiled dumpling all in one pot, you know. Yes, peeps, all in one pot. Just want to did something different today, you know. So I'm do the dumpling and the curry chicken all together, you know. One big pot. Yeah. You know, I'm tired of eating rice, so just decided to just do something different today, you know. You know, so yeah, delicious curry chicken, Jamaican curry chicken, and boiled dumpling. You know, I'm gonna be full today. Yeah, long time I don't cook some curry chicken. Been months and months and months. You know, soon come back to the vlogging though and load some nice videos for y'all, you know. But yeah, simple little cooking in the kitchen, you know. Yeah, some curry chicken and boiled dumpling, you know. Yeah, our people wanna call it ground provision. Yeah, so you know. Yes, peeps. Happy new month, happy December, and blessings and prosperity to everyone.